for error code on a 2019 Honda Accord P0299. The turbo actuator. Sometimes it gets loose, so I had to tighten it, and that fixed the problem. Is this? It's too loose. There's an adjustment on it, and which I'm gonna do. But to fix the problem, you have to take off all this stuff. I have to take off the intake hose, and I just noticed I have a crack right there. Holy crap! I'm gonna replace that. And also, you have to take off the oxygen sensor. So yeah, it's a nice little project. So this is the oxygen sensor. I'm gonna put that back in. You have to use this special tool for the oxygen sensor. So yeah, so I did a test run and everything turned out well. No error codes, ran great. Actually went 100 miles per hour.